Welcome back to my channel. Have you tried dozens of oils, serums, and treatments, and still see no results? Here's a 100% natural oil recipe passed down from ancient Ayurvedic texts, but with a modern twist no one talks about on YouTube. It reactivates dormant hair follicles, reverses damage, and makes hair visibly thicker within weeks. Let's reveal the powerful blend, and why it works like magic. This is not just another DIY oil. It combines aloe vera infusion, fermented herbs, and Ayurvedic actives with scientific backing. A formula used by women in ancient India for enviably long, thick hair. Let's begin. Ingredients list plus quantity. 1/2 cup coconut oil, pure, cold-pressed, 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon dry rosemary, 10 to 12 curry leaves, fresh or sun-dried, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon dry amla, soaked in hot water for 2 hours. 1 tablespoon soapnut, retha, soaked in hot water, seeds removed, 1 tablespoon sicakai, also soaked, 2 to 3 hibiscus flowers, dried or fresh, 1 teaspoon balchar, also known as spikenard root, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, added after cooling. Unique cooking method. This oil isn't just mixed, it's infused using a traditional slow heat method that pulls the full essence from every herb. Soak amla, retha, and sicakai in hot water for 2 hours. Remove seeds from retha, they're too harsh and ruin the oil. Heat coconut oil on the lowest flame. Add the soaked herbs along with the water. Let it simmer until water evaporates. Add rosemary, curry leaves, fenugreek seeds, hibiscus flowers, and balchar. Stir gently. Add aloe vera gel and watch it melt into the oil. This is where the magic happens. Once all ingredients are lightly cooked and infused, turn off the heat. When the oil is completely cool, stir in vitamin E oil and strain. How to use. Warm a little oil, massage into scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave overnight or at least for 3 hours. Wash with mild herbal shampoo. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Why this oil works. Aloe vera, repairs scalp damage, seals in moisture. Coconut oil, deeply penetrates hair shaft, prevents protein loss. Rosemary, reactivates dormant hair follicles. Fenugreek and curry leaves, stop hair fall, add natural shine. Amla plus retha plus sicakai, ancient trio for scalp detox and strong roots. Hibiscus, boosts volume, prevents split ends. Balchar, rare herb that stimulates new hair cell growth. Vitamin E, fights free radicals, slows scalp aging. No chemicals, no fillers, just time-tested ingredients that actually work. If your scalp is tired of synthetic products, give it this herbal rescue it deserves. Use this oil consistently and your mirror will thank you. Subscribe for more powerful natural remedies. Your hair growth journey starts now. Thank you for watching.